Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the callback function. A callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. This technique allows a function to call another function. Let's understand this concept with an example. We'll create two functions. The first one is named myDisplay, and it takes a single parameter, which we'll call sum. Inside this function, we'll simply display the value of sum using the console log. Next, we'll define a function named myCalculator that takes two parameters, a and b. We'll declare a sum variable to store the result of adding a and b, and then return this sum. In essence, the first function is responsible for displaying a value through the console log, while the second function performs addition and returns the sum. Next, let's set up an output variable and invoke the myCalculator function. We'll provide two values, specifically 6 and 3, as arguments to this function. To view the output, we'll make use of the myDisplay function, including output within parentheses. As a result, we'll obtain the value 9. However, there's an issue with this example. It necessitates calling two functions to display the result. This is where callbacks come into play. Remember, a callback is a function that's passed as an argument to another function. To address this, we'll need to make some changes. Within the myCalculator function, we'll introduce an additional parameter called myCallback. We'll remove the return sum statement and use myCallback sum. Additionally, remove these two lines. We don't need them. Simply call the myCalculator function with the two numbers you want to calculate the sum of. Now, let's use the myDisplay function as a callback, and you don't have to add parentheses for the callback. This way, it'll show the number 9. If you change the numbers you put in, you'll get a different result. Basically, myDisplay, which is the first function, serves as the callback function we're providing as an argument to the myCalculator function. Let's take one more example of a callback function. To begin, we'll create a function capable of calculating the square of a number. The name of the function will be getSquare and, in its parentheses, include two parameters, one for the number and the other for the callback function. We'll create a variable named result and calculate the square by multiplying the number by itself. Finally, we'll invoke the callback function, passing it the result variable. Additionally, we'll create the second function, which serves as the actual callback function. We'll name it displayResult, and it can take any variable, perhaps named square. In the console log, I'll make use of template literals enclosed in backticks, where I can include the result is and the square variable in $ curly braces. To get the outcome, simply call the main function, getSquare, and provide the desired number for which you want to determine the square. For the second argument, we're aware that it will be the callback function known as displayResult. The result, which in this case is 49, will be displayed on the console. DisplayResult is indeed a callback function, and it operates once another function completes its task. Within the getSquare function, the square is calculated, and then we trigger the callback function. When we call the getSquare function, we essentially pass another function as an argument, making it a callback function. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.